By now, you should have watched a video about Catalonia, Catalunya, with beautiful images and beautiful music. But what is Catalonia? If we look at this map of the Iberic Peninsula, here we have Portugal, here France, this is Spain, Barcelona is here, and Catalunya would be this little triangle here, all this territory. So let's take a closer look at Catalunya. Here we are, Catalonia's map. So let's place in the map some places that you might have seen in the video and that you might want to go and visit. First thing, there are four main cities, four capitals, but Catalonia's capital is obviously Barcelona, which is placed here. The next city is here, and it's called Girona. Girona is a very beautiful city. You can go, it takes 1 hour from Barcelona to get to Girona by train, and there is a beautiful Jewish neighborhood, and in May there is the flower festival and they decorate the whole neighborhood and the whole city with flowers. It's very nice to go and see it. The next city is Tarragona. Tarragona is in the coast and is the city where at the beginning of the video you've seen that there were people building a human tower. We will talk about it. They were in Tarragona. Tarragona has Roman ruins. You can go and visit the ruins, and it's a very nice city, and it has very nice beaches and all the surroundings that you can go and swim. Last city, here, Lleida. Lleida has a very beautiful cathedral, and all the surroundings areas are very, very nice and impressive. Other places that you might want to go and visit, you've seen that a lot of mountains in the videos, and a lot of lakes. Here we have the Pyrenees all around here. These are the Pyrenees. So you can go skiing, you can go hiking, you can go here. There are beautiful natural parks, but all this area is also very nice. It takes around 2 hours to get from Barcelona to the Pyrenees, so you can be skiing in 2 hours, probably if you like in winter. It's a very, very, very nice area. Also, you've seen that Dalí appears in the video. Dalí was Catalan, and his museum, Dalí's museum, is here in a city called Figueras. This is where the museum is, but his studio was in Cadaqués, a little town here. It's a fisherman's town, and it's all white with white houses, very beautiful, very touristic, also very picturesque. And there he had his studio. You can go and visit the studio, which is also a very nice place to go and see. Also, closer to Barcelona, here we have Montserrat. Montserrat is the mountain that you've seen, that it has like fingers. It appears in the video. And also, it's the name of a virgin, a Catholic virgin, that it was found. And there's a monastery in the mountain, and in the monastery you can go and see the Virgin, and also there's a choir of kids that sing every midday. There's a market, and it's a very nice place also to go climbing and to go hiking. It takes around 45 minutes, 1 hour to get from Barcelona. There's a train that takes you there, and then a flying cable cabin, that you can go there, or a train that goes, a tram that goes around the mountains, which is very nice. It's a very nice one-day excursion also. Also, if you like cycling, you can go around this area, which there are medieval castles, and you can go for a weekend and go cycling from castle to castle, and it's a very, very nice area to go and visit. If you want to go swimming, we have a lot of beaches all through the coast, but we have 3 different coast names in bits and pieces of our coast. First one, Costa Brava. Costa Brava, the wild coast. The waters here are colder, And also when you get in the water, it gets deep very fast, and the sand of the beaches tends to be little stones or gravel. Yeah? Then we have the Central Coast and Costa Central and Costa Daurada, the Golden Coast. Both of them have beaches. One of those beaches that to get covered by the water, you have to walk a lot. But in here, you might find smaller and very beautiful beaches than in the Central Coast. The beaches are very long and wide. Yeah? And this bit here is Delta de l'Ebre. Here is where Ebre River finishes. And obviously all the sand that it takes, all the sediments, have built this bit of land here. And here you have beautiful landscapes. You can go and see flamingos and see a lot of birds. And you've seen in the video also there's this landscape with flamingos flying. It is here. Very nice food also. Yeah. If you are interested in architecture and art, I would absolutely, totally recommend you to go to see all Gaudi's work. He was a modernista, and modernism was a movement, and the whole city is full of buildings by a lot of architects and artists from that period of time. Yeah? So there's not only Gaudí, but there are other ones. I encourage you to discover them. And if you like cultural events and festivals, in Barcelona you should check Primavera Sound Festival, which is an indie music festival, and Sonar, which is an electronic music festival. But there are a lot of festivals all around Catalonia. There are circus festivals, theater, music, dance festivals, and also each city has its traditional parties, yeah? And in these traditional parties you can see parades and traditional music, traditional dances, and also is where you will be able to see these groups of people that build human towers that you've seen in the video. Yeah? They are castellers, and they build castells. Castell is a castle, so casteller is castle maker. There are a lot of groups all around Catalonia that rehearse to build them. They are very impressive, they can be very, very tall, and it's very nice to see. It defines a lot Catalan culture, yeah? A group of people, very diverse group, mixed group of people working together to achieve a goal. If you can, go see them. If you can, move around, explore this little place called Catalonia. I'm sure that you will be surprised and that you will see very, very beautiful places. Have fun.